welcome back to our channel. I'm sorry I've been MIA for a minute. Haven't been feeling too swell. I took what'd I do? I took this detox tea on accident. I meant to take like this dandelion tea because my stomach has been off and it's supposed to help you feel better. But I took this smooth move. Let me focus. I took this and I was at work and they were clowning me because in our warehouse we only have one female bathroom and one male bathroom, and there's only like one stall. So I was like, y'all don't go in there. The females don't go in there because I blew it up.
No, it did. I promise it did.
Now I'm convinced it's you every time it smells crazy in there.
No, seriously, it probably is. She probably waits to go to the warehouse to shit.
And you need to stop doing that.
Bitch, I only did, that was the first and the last time that I did it. I can't help it. I had the fucking detox tea and it fucked me up.
Are you shitting?
Bitch, who didn't? If you smell like that, you gotta be shitting.
I hope. Yeah, I hope not just fart and smell like that.
Bro, I don't care. Fuck it. Is it supposed to smell good?
I mean, shit.
I mean,
you could have sprayed something.
Spray what?
I don't know.
Go find me some spray.
Fucking bleach.
Spray some bleach.
Yeah.
But right now I'm just clean. I'm not cleaning. I'm cooking dinner. Making some pasta, some spaghetti for my husband, and then I'm going to clean up. And I'm gonna babysit my little. She's not my biological niece, but she's one of my good friends. She's like family to me. Like when you're in the army, you gonna meet people that become like family, and she's like family for me. She has a doctor's appointment where children can't be there, so I'm gonna watch little Tink while she is at her appointment. So yeah, we gotta just clean up. And sorry I haven't been vlogging, but my life is really boring during the week because of the simple fact, like, all I do is like y'all, like I just go to work and then I come home, I cook, and then I'm tired, I'm exhausted. But guess what, bitch? So my birthday is January 28th, and guess what my man got me? Okay, he got me some tickets to see Young Blue. If you don't know who Young Blue is, I'm gonna put some links to his music down below. So this is what's going on. We got the sauce starting, the noodles. It's just me and Bradley, and he likes meatballs. I grew up with ground beef, but him like meatballs.
The crazy thing is, I'm like well, you can say I'm not really the platoon song right now, but I'm like the actor, because the platoon song we have, he's not a 68 whiskey, and our platoon is a whiskey platoon. So there's only so much he can do. So everybody comes to me for like the majority of stuff they need done. Edge, he's there too, but Edge is leaving, you know, in the next few weeks. So
You don't taste nothing. So you can put it with like hot stuff. Cold stuff I wouldn't recommend.
What do you mix it with?
I put some collagen in the spaghetti sauce, but not all of it, just to try it. You can't even try it. I mean, you can't even taste it.
Yeah, I can't even try it.
Shut up, Bradley. Oh yeah.
That's right.
I don't even taste it. But I recommend though, only put a little bit because I only had a little bit of sauce, so put it in proportion to the sauce. If you have a big old pot, they could put all of the collagen. You cannot taste it, bro. Like, that's crazy. Whenever you're ready. Yeah, whenever she gets ready.
Okay.